As far as the BJP MP's call that has come to release the Shah Commission report about emergency imposed back in 1978, this report when it was taken up, that has now raised the hackles of the opposition. Speaking during the 0 hour, a BJP MP Deepak Prakash, who has demanded that the government publish a copy of the report, with the Rajya Sabha chairman Jagdeep Dhankar also asking the government to consider the possibility of tabling the report. The political showdown meanwhile has only intensified. Notably, this development thus comes days after when the centre decided to declare 25th of June as the Samvidhan Hatya Divas to honour the emergency victims. Now, the Shah Commission report that actually relates to the atrocities committed during the time of emergency that was imposed back in 1975 and had it investigated with what it called as the darkest period of democracy. Now, while the BJP MP has said this report would reveal the facts of emergency, the Rajya Sabha chairman has said that this would benefit the public at large.
किंतु 1980 में इंदिरा गांधी के नेतृत्व में पुनः कांग्रेस की सरकार केंद्र में आने के बाद अपने काले कारनामे को छुपाने के लिए इस आयोग की रिपोर्ट को नष्ट कर दिया गया, महोदय नष्ट कर दिया गया। और महोदय इतना ही नहीं, केवल देश के अंदर नष्ट नहीं किया गया बल्कि इसकी प्रतियां विदेशों में जहां थी उसको भी ला करके उसको खत्म करने का काम किया गया महोदय। लेकिन शाह आयोग की रिपोर्ट की एक प्रति नेशनल लाइब्रेरी ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मौजूद है महोदय। अतः महोदय हम सरकार से मांग करते हैं कि शाह आयोग की रिपोर्ट की प्रति को सार्वजनिक करे, जिससे कांग्रेस का जो काला चेहरा है वो समाज के सामने आ सके।
The report of the Shah Commission that was formed to investigate the darkest period of Indian democracy, and the report relates to atrocities committed during the emergency imposed in 1975. The government must examine the possibility of having its authentic report and place it on the table of the House for benefit of the honorable members and also for benefit of the public at large.